Waalaikumsalam.
In this special occasion, I would like to review the material we have discussed in previous meeting that is about capital markets in investment management. Saya akan mereview materi yang kemarin ya. Ini pasar modal di dalam manajemen investasi. In the end of the teaching learning process, I ask you to retell this material today, hari ini. Saya minta untuk menceritakan kembali materi ini ya. Langsung. Saya kasih waktu 30 minutes to prepare. 30 menit untuk preparation, untuk persiapan. Kemudian, and then I would like to call you one by one and I will take your score. Terus saya ambil nilainya gitu ya. So please pay attention in order you may understand the material well. Supaya paham sama materinya dengan baik without memorize it, tanpa harus ngafalin. And please when you retell the material, I don't ask you to read your note. Nggak boleh baca note ya. And I ask you also to turn on your camera in order I will check whether you really understand and you may retell the material by your own language or not. Or you just read the note under what is it? Atau ini, maksudnya cuma baca, note-nya ada di bawah. Next slide. Next slide. Slide selanjutnya, Mbak. Slide selanjutnya, Mbak. PPT-nya tadi mana, Mbak Nadia? Mbak Nadia kemana ini, Mbak Nadia?
Sinyalnya kayaknya, Bu.
Sinyalnya.
Ya.
Teman-teman, tadi saya keluar karena sinyal. Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stock, etc. Pasar modal adalah sebuah pasar di mana penjual dan pembeli berada dalam satu tempat ya untuk melaksanakan aktivitas perdagangan tentang surat berharga ya, seperti obligasi dan juga saham. The buying or selling is undertaken by participants such as individuals and institutions. Proses jual beli itu dilakukan oleh orang-orang tertentu seperti baik itu individu dan institusi. Next. Capital market is divided into two parts, primary market and secondary market, pasar utama dan pasar kedua. Next slide. The primary market is the financial market where new securities are issued and become available for trading by individuals and institutions. Pasar utama adalah pasar keuangan di mana surat berharga yang baru itu diperjualbelikan dalam aktivitas perdagangan baik itu individu maupun institusi. The trading activities of the capital markets are separated into primary market and secondary market. Jadi aktivitas perdagangan itu dibagi menjadi dua, pasar utama sama pasar kedua. Next. Next slide. Public issue, raising funds from the primary market. Cara untuk meningkatkan modal dalam pasar utama. Public issue, the most common way to issue securities to the general public. Cara yang paling umum untuk melakukan ini, transaksi surat berharga ke masyarakat. Right issue, a company wants to raise more capital from existing shareholders. It may offer the shareholders more shares at a price discounted from the prevailing market price. Jadi pengen menjual surat berharga ke shareholders atau pemangku jabatan dengan harga diskon sesuai dengan harga pasar yang masih berlaku. Kemudian preferential allotment, allotment alokasi preferensial yang dipilih. When a listed company issues share to a few individuals at a price that may or may not be related to the marketplace, it is termed a preferential allotment. Intinya gini, ada orang-orang tertentu yang mendapatkan ini ya, harga tertentu, harga khusus untuk pembelian surat berharga. Ya. Next. Primary markets, pasar utama, bonds or share, obligasi maupun saham, is sold by the banks, dijual oleh pihak bank to corporates and also institution. Yang institution kemudian is is the institution and then sold the bonds or shares to the, kemudian pihak institusi bisa menjualnya kembali ke para investor. Next. Primary market versus secondary market. Primary, it is a way of issuing fresh share in the market. Cara yang paling utama untuk menjual suatu dari secondary market, it's a place where already issued or existing shares are traded. Tempat the amount invested by the buyer of share goes to the seller and hence the company doesn't receive anything. Sejumlah uang itu diinvestasikan oleh penjual dan pembeli, akan tetapi pihak perusahaan nggak dapat untung apapun. Primary market securities are issued by the companies to the investor. Surat berharga itu dijual oleh pihak company atau perusahaan ke para investor. Sedangkan secondary market, securities are exchanged between buyers and sellers and stock exchange facilitates the trade. Surat berharga itu diperjualbelikan antara penjual dan pembeli. Ya. Next. Money market and capital market, pasar uang dibanding pasar modal. Next. What is market? A market is a place where two parties can gather to facilitate the exchange of goods and service. Sebuah pasar di mana dua golongan itu memfasilitasi pertukaran barang dan jasa. Next. Financial market is any marketplace where trading of securities including equities, bond, currencies, and derivatives occur. Sebuah tempat di mana aktivitas perdagangan yang menjual suatu berharga seperti ekuitas, obligasi, mata uang, dan juga derivatif terjadi. Next. Financial market is divided into two parts, capital market and money market. Capital market is divided into two parts, stock market and bond market. Next. Money market. The money market is one of the main segments of financial market. Money market atau pasar uang itu salah satu segmen dalam pasar uang. It performs the function of mobilizing funds in the market. Fungsinya untuk melakukan pertukaran modal di dalam ekonomi. Main aim is to provide short-term finance. Tujuan utamanya untuk menyediakan keuangan jangka pendek. Next. Instruments in money market. Instrumen di pasar uang. Treasury bill, certificate of deposit, commercial paper, banker acceptance, and repurchase agreement. Itu ya instrumennya. Next. Capital market. The part of a financial system concerned with raising capital by dealing in shares, bonds, and other long-term investment. Bagian dari sistem keuangan yang digunakan untuk meningkatkan modal dengan menentukan harga deal saham tersebut, obligasi untuk investasi jangka panjang. Next. Money market versus capital market. Pasar uang dibanding pasar modal. Type of assets. Capital market deals in medium and long-term financial asset. Pasar modal itu berhubungan dengan aset jangka panjang. Sedangkan money market deals in money and short-term financial asset. Pasar modal itu deal sama aset jangka pendek. Use of finance, penggunaan keuangan untuk modal bergerak ya, baik itu money market sama capital market. And then maturity of asset, asetnya bisa digunakan lebih dari setahun yang berasal dari capital market. Kalau yang money market less than a year, kurang dari setahun berlakunya. Connecting link, linknya itu between investor and entrepreneur, investor sama wirausaha. While for money market, the connecting link is depositor and borrower. Depositor sama pihak peminjam. Next. Yang PDF. Capital market definition, types, and function. Capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. Sebuah tempat di mana instrumen Finansial itu diperjualbelikan antara dua golongan. Dua golongan itu di sini golongan yang menyediakan uang dan yang satu golongan yang membutuhkan uang. Capital market, types of capital market, primary market sama secondary market. Capital market itu ada beberapa contoh, stock market, pasar saham, bond market, pasar obligasi, currency and foreign exchange market. Yang ketiga, which are the most common capital market? Yang mana ini yang paling umum, pasar modal yang paling umum di sini contohnya stock market sama bond market, pasar saham sama pasar obligasi. Why do we need the capital market? Kenapa sih kita butuh pasar modal? Because capital market is a cog in the wheel of the modern economy. Since capital markets move money from entities that have money to the entities that require money for productive use. Jadi tempat di mana terjadi transaksi antara pihak yang memiliki dana dan pihak yang membutuhkan dana yang akan digunakan untuk penggunaan yang efektif dan produktif. Intinya itu. Next, kalau butuh dana ya ke capital market, bisa pinjam. Capital market features di sini one who supplies capital and the one entity is the one who needs capital. Jadi syarat adanya pasar modal ya ada pihak yang memiliki dana, penyuplai dana, dan yang satu pihak yang membutuhkan dana. Itu main segmen atau faktor utama. Tuh, PPT-nya bilang PPT. Sinyalnya lagi ya. Ini ada yang bisa nge-share, bantuin Mbak Nadia, biar nggak keluar masuk. Ini tadi sampai mana? Capital market features. In capital market, there are two entities, ada dua golongan. Nah, golongannya itu yang satu golongan yang menyediakan dana, the one who supplies capital, and the other entity is the one who needs capital. Dan golongan yang lain itu golongan yang butuh dana. PPT-nya hilang lagi. Ada yang bisa bantuin nge-share. Nyata mati. Siapa ya? Yang atas sendiri, Mas. Ke atas. Ini. Some common examples of suppliers of capital are, contoh penyuplai dana. Apa itu? Pension funds, life insurance company, non-financial companies, charitable foundation. Kemudian some common examples of users of capital, yang pinjam uang, contohnya people looking to purchase vehicle or homes, orang-orang yang butuh dana untuk membeli kendaraan atau rumah. Kemudian government, pemerintah, non-financial companies, perusahaan non-finansial. Capital markets, markets consists of companies that issue securities and investors who purchase those securities directly from the issuing company. Pasar utama terdiri dari perusahaan yang menjual surat berharga dan juga investor yang membeli surat berharga tersebut dari perusahaan. Kalau secondary markets are places where the trade of already issued certificates between investor are overseen by regulatory bodies. Tempat di mana aktivitas perdagangan itu dilaksanakan oleh para investor. Sekarang capital market function. Yang pertama, capital markets bring together those requiring capital and those having excess capital. Jadi untuk pasar modal menjembatani antara orang yang memiliki dana dan juga butuh dana. Yang kedua, capital markets aim to achieve better efficiency in transaction. Pasar modal itu bertujuan untuk menciptakan atau mencapai efisiensi dalam transaksi peminjaman dana. It helps in economic growth, membantu pertumbuhan ekonomi. Dan yang keempat, it ensures there is the continuous availability of funds. Untuk memastikan terjadi kelanjutan ini ya, funds, lanjutan modal, berlangsungan modal maksudnya. By ensuring the movement and productive utilization of capital, it helps in boosting the national income, membantu meningkatkan income nasional, pendapatan nasional. Yang keenam, minimize transaction cost and information cost, meminimalisir transaksi, biaya transaksi dan biaya informasi. Makes trading of securities easier for companies and investors. Membuat perdagangan itu lebih mudah antara perusahaan dan investor. Yang kedelapan, it offers insurance against market risk. Ini untuk mengurangi resiko pasar ya. What are the advantages of capital market? Keuntungan dari pasar modal. Money move between people who need capital and who have the capital. Uang itu berpindah dari orang yang butuh dana ke orang yang memiliki dana. Antara orang yang butuh dana dan orang yang memiliki dana. Yang kedua, there is more efficiency in transaction. Ada keefektifan dalam transaksi ya. Kemudian yang ketiga, securities like shares help in earning dividend income. Surat berharga seperti saham membantu untuk mendapatkan income atau pendapatan. With the passage of time, the growth in value of investment is high. Membantu meningkatkan investasi lebih tinggi. Next. The interest rates provided by securities like bonds are higher than interest rate given by the bank. Bunga seperti bunga dari surat berharga, contohnya ini obligasi, itu bunganya lebih tinggi daripada bunga bank. Can avail tax benefit by investing in stock market. Bisa mendapatkan keuntungan pajak dengan cara menginvestasikannya ke pasar modal. Yang ketujuh, scope for a wide range of investment. Bisa memperluas scope investasi. Yang kedelapan, securities of capital markets can be used as collateral for getting loans from the bank. Surat berharga dari pasar modal dapat digunakan sebagai jaminan untuk mendapatkan pinjaman dari bank. Oke, so far any questions? Saya kasih waktu 30 menit ya untuk to prepare, to retell the material, and I will call your name one by one. Saya panggil satu-satu. I will take your score. Ya. Oke, you may end the Zoom. Boleh dimatikan Zoom-nya. We will start again at 30 menit, berarti 11:06 minutes. At 11:06. Jam 11 lebih 6 menit, we will start Zoom again. Saya kasih waktu 30 menit untuk mempersiapkan, menceritakan kembali materi ini ya. Jangan membaca note. Oke, I will leave. Saya leave dulu ya. We will meet again.
Capital market adalah
in English. Malah adalah in English.
capital market is a place where different financial instruments are traded between different entities. Example, capital market, bond market, stock market, closing price, and currency and foreign exchange market. Capital market are many different into two different one primary market atau pasar utama, yaitu pasar utama, to secondary market, yaitu pasar sekunder. Sudah Bu, itu saja.
Sudah. Kamu nggak mudik, Mbak, kamu?
Enggak, Bu.
Kudus, asli Kudus, Mbak.
Saya Demak. Perbatasan.
Demak.
Ya.
Oh. Next, Mbak Yeli Dwi. Mbak Yeli. Mbak Yeli. Udah reconnecting. Mbak Niscai Dwita, Mbak Niscai. Mbak Niscai Dwita. Ini kemana sih kalau nggak kedengeran semua? Melani Ulia, Melani. Melani. Ayo Mbak Melani.
Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial security like bonds, stock. The buying or selling is undertaken by participants such as individual and institution. Capital markets are mainly divided into two types. One, primary market. Two, secondary market. Capital market function. One, it helps economy growth, minimize transaction costs, and information
Cost.
it's over insurance gain market risk. Sudah, Bu.
Oke, Mbak Melani. Melani, oh ya. Wilda, Wilia.
Iya, Bu. Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stocks, currency. Structure capital markets, primary markets consist of companies that issue securities and investor who put those securities directly from the issue company. Secondary markets are players wherein the trades of already issued certificates between investors are overseen by regulatory bodies. Function capital market. One, it helps in economic growth, minimize transaction cost and information cost. Sudah, Bu.
Alfiana. Eva Lutfiana.
Ya, bentar ya, Bu.
Ya.
Capital market is a place for insured who need of fund and investor who want to invest their investment function to pasar modal.
Capital market.
Capital market. The first, namely as means of business funding or a means by which a company. Terus fungsi jenis capital market have two kinds. Ya, yang pertama, the first in primary capital market and secondary capital market. Primary, bahasa Indonesia boleh nggak, Bu?
Jangan
Primary market is parties involving the market is issuer atau emiten, investor, underwriter, and etc. And structure capital market is primary market, yaitu kayak apa ya, consist company, perusahaan, company and investor menjual. Bu, sudah, Bu.
Oke. Mbak siapa? Eva Lutfiana tadi.
Ini, Bu.
Mas Aknanda.
Sebentar, Bu.
Ya. Gimana Mas, sudah? Ready? Halo, Mas Ananda, Mas Aknanda Divanto. Itu kameranya on. Nah, yuk, mulai.
Capital market is the market where buy and sell trade securities such as bond, stock, and capital market divided primary and secondary. In the primary market, security are directly issued by company to investor, and secondary market securities are exchanged between buyer and seller, and stock exchange facility to the trade. Sudah Bu, itu aja.
Udah. Gak diboy nih. Diboy gitu loh. Ditambah apa ya gitu. Diboy.
Raising fund from the primary market. Number one, public issue. Public issue is stock and IPO. The company is able to raise fund. Number two, strike issue. Shareholders want the raise more capital. The exciting shareholder. Number three, preferential allotment. Preferential allotment is when a listed company issue shares to individual at a price that may or may not be relation to the market. Sudah begitu aja.
Ya. Oke, thank you. Next, Mas Ahmad Saifuddin. Adan di tempat saya bentar ya. Bisa adan, Mas. Adan tempat saya. Ayo Mas Saifuddin. Ahmad Saifuddin. Habis ini bahasa Natunisa ya.
Ya, Bu.
On, kameranya on.
Capital market refers to the place where saving and investment are moved between suppliers and of capital and those who are in of capital. Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trade of financial securities like bonds, stocks, etc. The buying or selling is undertaken by participants such as individuals and institutions. Capital market number one, primary market and secondary market. Primary market may also be called the new issue market. Primary market is financial market where new securities are issued and become available for trading by individuals and institutions. The trading activities of the capital markets are split into the primary market and secondary market. For secondary market, lupa Bu.
Tidak lupa sih, tidak lupa. Kenapa harus lupa? Puasanya tinggal ini sama besok. Lupa.
Next, rising funds from the primary market. Number one, public issue. Number two, issue. And three, preferential allotment.
Nah, sudah.
Market. What is market? A market is where two participants facilitate the exchange of goods and services. And financial market, a marketplace where trading of securities including equities, bonds, currencies, and derivatives occur. For money market, the money market is one of the main segment of the financial market. cukup, Bu.
Ya, oke, Mas. Terus lagi siapa yang tadi belum Mbak Kansa? Siapa tadi? Mbak Kansa.
Hasanatun Nisa, Bu.
Ya, ya itu. Mbak. Ya, Mbak Hasanatun Nisa.
Yeah. Capital market is a place where saving and investment are done between capital suppliers and those who are in need of capital. It is therefore a place where various entities trade different financial instruments. There are two types of capital market. One, primary market. Two, secondary market. Capital market where both equity and debt instrument like equity shares, preference shares, debentures, bonds are bought and sold. Function of capital market. Number one, it acts in linking funds, investor and savers. Number two, facilitates the movement of capital to be used more profitably and product to boost the national income. Number two, boosts economic growth. Number four, facilitates trading of securities. Number five, minimization minimize of transaction and information cost. Terus, the capital market is the best source of finance for companies. It offers a spectrum of investment.
Siapa tadi? Mbak muncul. Mbak Kansa, Hasanatun Nisa. Mbak Hasanatun Nisa. Belum ada sih. Mbak Vela Ferdilia Putri. Mbak Vela.
Bentar, Bu.
Ya, mulai.
Capital market are where saving and investment are cancelled between suppliers, people or institutions with capital or lend or invest, and those in capital to lend or invest, and those in need. Suppliers typically include banks and investors, while those who speak capital are business, government, and individuals. Capital markets are composed of primary and secondary market. Capital markets seek to improve transactional of efficiencies. This market brings suppliers together with those seeking capital and provide a place where they can exchange securities. Capital market is a broad term used to describe the in-person and digital space in which various entities trade different types of financial instruments. These venues may include the stock market, the bond market, and the currency and foreign exchange market. Capital markets are used primarily to sell financial products such as equities and debt securities. Equities are stock which are ownership share in a company. Debt securities such as bond and are interest. These markets are divided into two different categories: primary market, where new equity, stock, and bond issues are sold to investors, and secondary market, which trades existing securities. Capital markets are a crucial part of a functioning modern economy because they move money from the people who have it to those who need in productive use.
Finish?
Sudah,
Sudah,
Bu.
Mbak. Sudah. Virus Adsir. Virus Adsir. Nggak ada kabar. Niscay Dwita, Mbak Niscay. Mbak Niscay Dwita. Mbak, nggak bisa. Muhammad Nur. Ya, nggak ada lagi nih. Nggak mau maju. Kosong ini nilainya.
Ya, Bu.
Ya, ayo Mbak Dita.
Ya. Capital market is where to need someone a capital and access of capital. Capital market are used to sell bond, stock and security atau zat berharga. Types of capital market: number 1, primary market, secondary market. Example of capital market: number 1, bond market, stock market, and currency. Function of capital market: capital market bring together those requiring and those having excess capital. Capital market aim to achieve better in transaction. It helps in economic growth and advantage of capital market. There is more efficiency of transaction. Money move between people who need capital, who have the capital. Finish, ma'am.
Finish.
Yeah.
Oke, Muhammad Aryansyah.
Hai Bu.
Nah,
Capital market is a market in which the are trading activities such as securities in the form of shares, equities, bond, and other securities issued by the government or private companies. Some common example of supplier of capital are 1. Pension funds, 2. Life insurance companies, 3. Non-financial companies, 4. charitable foundation. The capital market consists of the primary market and the secondary market. Transaction activities in the primary market are only for the purchase of shares. Meanwhile, transactions in the secondary market are open for sale and purchase of shares. Shares in the primary market are ordered through an intermediate selling agent. Meanwhile, share order in the secondary market are carried out through stock action members. Capital market function. 1. Capital market bring together to requisition capital and the to having actual capital. 2. Capital market aim to achieve better efficiency in traction. 3. It help in economic growth. Money market is security trading activity to meet the demand and supply of fund in the short term without place restriction. Main aim is the in situs init.
full stop, udah selesai.
Ya, Bu.
Ya udah. Mas Norta.
Nah, Bu.
Ya.
Capital market adalah
Kalau
capital
adalah,
market
jangan
is
adalah,
capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in financial security like bond, stocks, surrendering. Struktur capital market. Primary market consists of companies that issue security and the investor who purchase security distinctly from is the issue company. Secondary market are placed in the trade of rate already issued. When investors are overseen by regulatory body. Function of market. It helps in economic growth. It ensures there is the continuous availability of funds, minimize transaction costs, and information cost.
Nah, cara kamu itu lancarin ngepol itu ada di bawah catatan ya kan, kelihatan. Ujinya mau samain dulu kan gitu.
Ya ada Bu.
Nggak ada buat delik no, ya kan?
Mbak gini ya Bu.
Ya gitu. Jangan dinglo ya. Mungkin lu gini.
Ada nggak ya Bu?
Ya oke.
It offers. Ini yang fungsi ya Bu.
Ya, fungsi Bapak pokoknya tadi.
Gimana?
Tadi sampai function.
Sampai function. Information cost Bu tadi. Itu
Ya,
fungsinya.
Terus
It offer square scans against market.
atas lagi, matanya nggak boleh ke bawah.
Untuk context of the capital market, there is more efficiency in the transaction scope for a wide range of investment. Can file tax benefit by investing in stock market. Udah Bu.
Ya. Oke. Ada yang mau maju lagi? Is there any volunteer to continue? Ada yang mau maju lagi or full stop? Mas Muhammad Nur udah?
Belum Bu.
Ya, belum. Dilvia, waalaikumsalam. Kenapa Mbak Dilvia? Waalaikumsalam. Waalaikumsalam. Kenapa Mbak Dilvia? Oh gitu. Ya ntar aja kamu Mbak. Kamu nyusul ya. Kamu mudik ya? Mudik aneh. Nah mudik ntar aja. Yang Mas Nur tadi, ayo. Ya udah Mbak Delvia, kalau kamu mudik nanti nek sudah sampai rumah WA saya ya. Tugasnya sama, cuma nanti direkam, ditaruh, direkam Zoom, direkam kemudian upload di YouTube-mu. Itu Mbak Delvia. Terima kasih. Rumahnya mana? Apa mudik kemana? Mudik kemana nih? Ini Mas Nur, Muhammad Nur, ayo.
Saya Bu.
Ya.
The capital market is a meeting place for company and other institution that needs funds from the public for business development, expansion, and other. Where people who want to invest their to option funding the company or institution. And the investor, the company or institution by buying these instruments in the capital market. Therefore, the capital market has an important role for the economy of a country. Capital market function when the capital market as a means of increasing capital for business. Two, capital market as a means of distribution. After a certain period of time. 3. Capital market as a means of increasing production capacity. Finish, ma'am.
Ya, oke. Ini sudah full semua ini. Muhammad Tor siapa, Mas?
Muhammad Nur Rahim, Bu.
Rohimnya CHIM gitu.
Muhammad Nur Rahim, Bu.
Ya, Rohimnya tuh Rohim. Ya semuanya ya. Oke, I think that's all you. And
bertanya.
Apa? Cintanya apa?
Kan tugas selanjutnya itu retail metri of capital market. Nah,
ya.
Yang sudah retail ini apakah
yang sudah ini nanti tak kasih tahu nulisnya gimana, tetap upload file tapi nulis filenya seperti ini.
Oh gitu.
Ya. Kasih tahu. Ini habis ini tak tutup dulu.
Gini. Suan, Bu.
Ya. Oke, I think that's all. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My class.
You are welcome, Mom.